Hello, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you my outlook for this coming week. So today is the 6th of September 2025. So I'll be showing you all the pairs I'm looking at, the zones, and how to trade them. So let's get into it. This is NZDUSD. I'm currently looking at it. This is on 4 hours time frame. So I'm looking at this zone here. You can see there is sweep of previous high, break of structure, this structural liquidity before the break of structure. Then I'm hoping for it to get back into the zone. Then watch closely the reaction before getting into the trade. Let me show you guys. Okay. So this is what I'm expecting. So when it gets to this zone, after clearing out this liquidity here, this also serves as liquidity. This is the previous day high. So if it clears this, wait for possible reaction here, then I'll enter the trade. So this is what I'm looking at on NZDUSD for next week. Let's go to the other pairs. EURJPY. Go to the 1 hour time frame. Also on EURJPY, I'm looking at a potential sell. As you can see, it has been doing this sell for some time now. Let's see, this was on Wednesday. The momentum of the sellers, let me show you. This sell happens in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours of sell. Then when buyers are trying to step in, it takes a lot of time. So it's showing the seller's pressure is still much there. So after getting to the zone, sold off again, retest, sold off again. So I'm just waiting for it to do the same thing. So it's basically break and retest, break and retest. So I'm just waiting for it to do the same thing again. So I'm actually looking at this fair value gap here. Actually looking at this zone here. So I'm just waiting. It either reacts in this zone or it comes to the extreme here. So most of the time I like waiting for the extreme. So but as long as it breaks this place also serves as liquidity. Let me go to the daily time frame. You can see this is the previous day high, previous day open. So this candle is on Friday, previous day open. As long as it goes above this to draw some liquidity, so I can probably shift my entry to this point here. So I'm just going to wait for the reaction, then take the trade. So that's on EURJPY. I also have another pair here, GBPNZD. I'm looking for a buy on GBPNZD. So let me go to the 1 hour time frame. I have two zones here. This is the extreme and this part here is the failed order block. So I'm going to wait for this one. You know why? Because this structural liquidity here, I'm going to wait for this extreme zone, but it's a low probability trade. So I'm going to look at the reaction first before I can jump into the trade. I'm not going to set any limit order. So on GBPNZD, let's see, go to the daily time frame. These red lines, I always mark them on daily time frame because they serve as liquidity. This was on Friday, yeah. So this is the previous day low. So when we get to the next trading day, Monday, which is going to be Monday, this is going to be the previous day low. So I'm just waiting for it to clear out the liquidity, clear out this low, then react. So after reacting, I'll be able to get into the trade as well. Okay. I think I have to make a video on liquidity, different type of liquidity. Let me show you this pair. These are the three currency pairs I'm looking at: GBPNZD, EURJPY, NZDUSD. There is also this AUDUSD. Let me show you. I showed you the analysis last week. So it has triggered and is currently in play last Friday. That was yesterday. Due to the news, so it went to this, entered this point of interest, then started selling off. So I entered it initially, but I had to close because of Friday. I don't like holding trades through the weekend. So all I'm hoping for is just to see a little bit of retracement when the next day open, which is on Monday. Then I will join this trade again because it's still very much valid. I've been waiting for it for a very long time. So this is the daily time frame. This is the previous day high at the moment, and the previous day open. I'm just looking around this zone, say look at what is going to do around this zone, then rejoin the trade. So I think that's all. Okay, let me show you this USD CHF. I saw this price action on USD CHF. So it does not even matter the strategy you use or the mentor, whatever you do. With just basic market structure, I think everyone should be able to get good trades and good entry. Look at this. USD CHF has been selling for a very long time. This is a month of price action here. See, it keeps doing just break and retest, break and retest. And some people would have caught each and every one of these. Let's say break, retest to this zone here, break, retest again, break, retest. So this is just basically higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Sorry, higher high and lower low, I think. So it has been on downtrend for a while now. So this is just basic market structure, basic price action. So it does not even need to be complicated. So I think my next video is going to be on liquidity, different type of liquidity, and how I spot liquidity. So I think that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.